a type that have lost your skin tone, or do you have issue with uneven toned skin, or you don't feel good in your skin, or you need a product that will help you to achieve the exact glowing skin tone that you want? Please, if you are that type of person, then watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how you can use Kojic white gluta pawpaw soap and Carotone cream to lighten or to brighten your skin. This tool helps you to lighten the skin. It removes spots on the skin and it whitens the skin when you use these two products consistently. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys the roles these two products plays on the skin. I'll explain to you guys how you can use these two products to whiten the skin or to lighten the skin, and also the side effects of not using these two products well. I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that I use to formulate these two products. Carotone is a very good lightening cream, okay, that works on the skin and it's very good for brightening the skin as well. Carotone comes in a set, okay. We have the shower gel, we have the lotion, we have the cream itself, we have the cleanser, we have the oil, and we have the face cream as well. If you are the type who want to whiten the skin, you can grab the whole set and use. But in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can use these two combo to brighten or lighten your skin. This is Kojic Gluta Papaya Arbutin soap. This soap with this cream will help you achieve a very nice skin tone or a very nice lightening skin tone, okay. The roles it plays on the skin when you use these two combo. In fact, let me open the cream for us to see how it is in a container. So the Carotone cream, this is how it is, okay, and this is how it is in the cream. I don't know if you can see it well. It smells very nice. It's made with carrot, it's made with pawpaw, it's made with citric acid, it's made with vitamin E, it's made with vitamin C, it's made with kojic acid, and it's made with fragrance and aha. It smells so nice, and this is how the texture is. It contains enough oil, but if you have a very dry skin, I would suggest you add extra more oil to the cream before using. And this is how it is. It smells nice. You can even feel the pawpaw flavor inside. It's from Gando Cosmetic from Abidjan, okay. So this soap is for bathing morning and evening. And this cream, because it's a cream that involves citric acid, kojic acid, and hydroquine, you are supposed to use it in the evening. If you use this cream very well with this soap, it will lighten your skin for you, it will whiten your skin for you, and it will also brighten the skin for you as well. These two products is not recommended for everybody. If you are a sensitive skin person, please stay away from these two products. If you are an oily skin person, stay away from these two products. But a normal skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, and also a dry skin person can use it. But then if you are a dry skin person, make sure you add enough oil to this cream before using. You can get recovery oil, you can get bio oil, you can get Vit Gold vitamin C oil, or you can get any nice oil and mix with this cream and use only in the evening. But the soap is supposed to be used morning and evening. If you use these two combo very well, you achieve a very nice even tone skin. It will make your skin very fairer. It will make you to achieve a whitening skin tone. Use the cream only in the evening. Don't use it during the daytime. If you use it during the daytime, you will not achieve the exact result on the skin because of the sun. If you expose the skin under the sun too, you end up having dark knuckles, sunburn, you sweat a lot too as well. So the best advice is that you can use the soap morning and evening, then you use the cream in the night. It gives you dark knuckles, it gives you white dot, it gives you severe sunburn if you don't use it wisely. The most important thing about this two products is that it's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin, it's whitening the skin, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, it makes the skin very firm as well. Do not use it on your face, okay? And if you have issue with dark armpits, dark inner thighs, you can use these two products to lighten those places as well. So if you have ever used these two products before, Kojic Gluta Papaya and Carotone cream before, you can leave a comment under the video. You can also share your testimony with me. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video, you will be the first to receive a notification from me. To my return subscribers, thank you for the support, thank you for the love, and I really appreciate you guys a lot. And please stay tuned and see you in my next video. All I want